My secret is I slept with your best friend.
Gag, honey.
I'm happy to say that this video is sponsored by Scentbird. Scentbird is a fragrance subscription service where you can discover new seasonal favorites every month with range of over 600 brands.
Oh wow.
For just $17, Scentbird lets you choose a new designer fragrance every month. They have everything you could ever dream of. By taking a simple quiz on Scentbird, you will discover new fragrances based on your preferences. Scentbird lets you try high-end fragrances for $17, but with my code offensivetea55, you will get 55% off your first month. Scentbird works directly with designer brands, making it a legit and professional brand. So, baddies, make sure you use my code offensivetea55 for 55% off your first month at Scentbird to smell like a queen.
My name is April Jane, and I am in my 50s. I'm a vintage, rare find. Open to the adventure. I'm open to having a connection with another younger man. I hope I'm really gonna find love.
When I meet good-looking, my type of a man, I introduce myself, say, hey, I'm so young and I'm so
I'm Kelly, I'm 50 years old, and my alter ego is Disco Mommy.
Who and who?
Disco Mommy loves house music, and Disco Mommy, she's really spontaneous. She's just fun.
Oh really?
I have 6 amazing kids. Like, from the same guy? I'm like, no, why would I have 6 kids from the same guy? Hello?
Please head to the house where you will meet the new men in your life.
Bitch, you are.
Whoa, hey.
Excuse me?
What's going on?
Wait, there are moms? Wait, there are moms? Holy
What?
that's my mom right there.
Oops.
¿Qué es aquí?
Oh my God!
What is this? I am really confused right now. What is really happening here?
We're supposed to date the other moms?
And you're here. That's so weird.
Yeah.
That is so weird.
And I'm gonna have to see my son date these moms.
What? Who? Yeah. Electric chair.
Older women are very hot, and I know I got the swag, and I got the game for them.
Wow, this is like news to me.
Yes, Mom, yes.
I'll be in the hot tub at 10. Don't judge me.
No, he's 20.
No, I'm gonna be 21.
Oh, you're the baby.
And you gonna be 22, right?
I'm gonna be 22.
You said you were his favorite.
We wanted to take this adventure. It literally fell in our lap from the heavens.
Bruh.
And
I can't. I'm sorry.
Can you stop and just let me talk?
Can you do it again? Can you not say, why are you saying heavens?
Because that's...
I feel like he would definitely just have my back and be by my side and be in my corner.
I'm not calling you dad.
I feel like
And all the young men take their shirts off.
I beg your pardon? I beg your pardon.
I want you, and you.
You have to go up and touch all of the young men. Which one is their son?
I mean, that's pretty weird to me.
I'm very excited, so I could feel the abs a little bit.
No.
I got last, so you can meet me at the bungalow outside.
Oh, I can't.
Sorry, I can't hear you over there.
And I'm just like...
You're welcome. This is your dad.
Mom, you're gotta be joking.
This entire time, he's going to come upstairs. Come
I
upstairs.
think I'm just gonna go to sleep.
No. The second room on the left.
The second room on the list.
Oh my God! You gotta be joking.
I'm a man of great taste. I'm a very big feet person.
I'm gonna stop you right there.
Paula has these feet that I just want to like oil up and lather and just massage and get real warm and then paint her toenails, suck the acrylic off them toes.
What the fuck?
Shove in my mouth.
That is disgusting. Ew.
I used to do that with Jose when he was smaller.
I love to do that with kids, so...
Hola! I get the fantasy suite tonight.
You don't. You actually don't. No.
I think Jose is open to love, and I'm gonna show him that I'm the one he should be with.
You're mine.
We need to call the police. Call the police.
Hey, Mom!
No, I can't.
She never wears bras and the girls are always popping out, you know, the headlights are always on.
Didn't bother you when you were a baby sucking on him either, so let's keep it real.
Because I needed the milk, Mom. I needed some energy.
You were really thirsty.
We need to write down some of our deepest, darkest secrets. We're gonna be revealing these to the entire house.
I got pink eye from ass. What?
Okay, my secret is I slept with your best friend.
Gag, honey.
They're not laughing with you, sister. They're laughing at you.
I'm a little traumatized right now, I'm not gonna lie.
So young, Lysum, so young.
Man, it says, please do not touch the gumballs. Why are they there then?
I didn't expect this at all, really.
Wait a minute, how do you not know what you're signing up for? You already did this, girl.
So, Paula. Yes? I'm taking your son out on a date.
You big, fat, white, nasty, smelling, fat, big.
You are?
Never.
2 seconds later.
So, this is the place that you brought me.
Yeah.
This is the Mushroom Rock.
Yeah.
I've seen that online. I wanted to come here.
Okay. Do you love it?
Yeah, I love it. Thank you. And I'm happy to share this with you. The mushroom rock.
I wanted to go there.
Well,
Take me. Next time you can take me.
No. Paula. Go.
Vamos a hablar español. Ven, vamos a ver.
Sí, estamos hablando de ti.
It's my first language, our first language.
But you're not here to speak your first language. Okay.
What is wrong with her? Why can't we speak Spanish?
Oh, then go speak it when you're by yourself.
No.
I'm gone. You're exploiting people. It's fine. No, I'm the bad guy. No, I'm the bad guy because I don't speak Spanish.
Y'all already know who I am. My name's Topher, and
Quick reminder to use code offensivetea55 for 55% off your first month at Scentbird, the best fragrance subscription out there.